Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make a simple bowl. For making a simple bowl, we'll just need a half sphere and make it a little bigger, like it's now 2020. For suppose we can make it 40. Just click this box and make it 40. We can type also that we want to make it 40 by 40. So it's now a half sphere, but it's very small in height. So we will just increase the height also, and we can make it like 16. This is 16 or like 19 centimeters, and then we will turn it upside down for like 180 degrees, and then we will have to make a hole inside the sphere. So first we will just duplicate it, and we will make the duplicate a little smaller. So here is our duplicate, and then we will click them both and align them. We'll just click the align option and make the duplicate at the center. And now we have to raise the duplicate a little higher. After raising it a little higher, we will make the duplicate a hole and group them both. After grouping them, you will see the hole is inside the bowl, and it's like looking like a bowl. But now it doesn't have a base. So if it doesn't have a base, it will always move around. So first we will take a cylinder and make the size to full 64 size, and make it a little smaller in height, like 3 degrees. And if you cannot make it properly, you just align them again with line from here. Here just 2 line from the side, and it's line from the side also. Our bowl is made. The just thing left in the bowl is to group them, and now everything is purple. But I don't want it purple, so I will just go to colors and make it like light blue and make it transparent, so it's looking like a bowl. For receiving the latest updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.